Hi, this is Kevin at Tutor with the Best, and you're watching 1 Minute Math.
Solving equations with rational expressions. Here we have 3 over x plus 1 minus 2 over x minus 1 is equal to 4 over x squared minus 1. The first thing we're going to want to do is try to factor all the denominators. In this case, it just so happens that the one on the right is the only denominator we can factor, and it'll split into x plus 1 and x minus 1. Now we're going to be better prepared to identify what the common denominator is, and once we find it, we're just going to multiply every fraction by what that is, which in this case is x plus 1 times x minus 1. The benefit of doing this is we're going to be able to cancel out all of our denominators in every term, right? And we're going to be left with 3 times x minus 1 minus 2 times x plus 1 is equal to just 4. At this point, we'll solve the equation by distributing the 3 and the negative 2, then combine some like terms. X minus 5 is equal to 4, and finally, x is equal to 9. At the end of these problems, we always want to make sure that our solution is viable. So we want to go back up and make sure that when we plug in 9, we end up not dividing by 0. In this situation, the only values that would not work are positive 1 and negative 1. Therefore, 9 works as a solution.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe, or check out the next video in the series by clicking below.